G'day viewers. Today we're going to have a quick product review. Going to start rolling through a few reviews just of the different gear that we use on the trails and adventures. So first off today we're going to have a look at the RAM mount that I use for holding the phone. I use the phone as a GPS tool, running Reva and a GPX viewer. So that's my main navigation device. So yep, we'll have a look. You can see it up behind me. It's the bar mounted RAM X grip. So I've owned the RAM mount for about 2 years now. I purchased through Motorrad Garage in Welshpool, the guys down there. So yeah, it's been a pretty reliable unit. I'll have a quick look now at how it's mounted. We'll pull it off, see if there's any wear getting around it. And also later on in the video we'll have a look at some of the places it's been and how it's held up. Alright, so you can see it mounted there and how the components work. As the name suggests, X grip. Got two arms here, perpendicular to each other, with a rubber mounting strap. So I'll just grab my phone. The phone I use is a Motorola phone. It's quite a large phone in a bigger, heavy-duty case, but it fits all okay in. I'll just get it in there for us. Alright, that sits in there like so. You can see the little mounts are tapered, so it will hold in there. And the rubber band strap goes over the top of each corner. Like that. Now that holds it in nice and firm. Now it's mounted to the bike via what RAM Mount have called the Tough Claw. So it's basically a screw just to undo it like that. And off it comes. There you've got your claw. See down in there, just a thread opens up and about. As I say, over 2 years use, plenty of dust built up and around it, but the little rubber mount pads where it grips onto the bar, they're still all intact. No cracks or anything in the rubber strap, which is good. You see it's out in the elements, the sun, rain. The mounting pad, all still okay. Now, one small thing I didn't like when we first got it was the rubber tapered grips were loose on there. There was only a small amount of glue, so I Loctited all 4 of mine down, but I've just noticed this one here has come off, so need to re-glue that one on. Just using a Loctite super glue product, just a dab inside the tapered mount and place back on. All the other ones are fine, it's just one that's come loose over time, so yeah, just one to watch out for. So that's just a quick brief review on the RAM Mount X grip. From that, the big question is, how many times have we lost the phone or the X grip itself? Happy to say after 2 years of riding in various conditions, it hasn't come undone once. It's always been there, so I'll keep using it. I'll keep you up to date if anything changes. And yeah, we'll have a quick look at some of the places I've taken it and situations I've trusted it in to keep the phone safe. See you on the next one.